Alright, quick brake bleeding hack. That hose right there is nebulizer hose. So find somebody that uses a nebulizer and get their old hose before they throw it away. Now, right on the end, there is a little bulb, kind of looks like a donut. It will not stay locked on there if that is on there. So you just take a pair of wire cutters, cut that little bulb off of there. Run your hose up over your windshield, hold it in place with your wiper blade, clip it to your master cylinder. Then you can watch the air go through the hose and you don't have to keep refilling the master cylinder. Looks like we don't have any air in that side. Okay, we're hooked to the driver's side now. See if we get any air out of it. There we go. Look at that.